How to download MovieBox on iPhone. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the App Store from your iPhone's home screen. Now, once inside the App Store, in the search address bar, all you have to do is type down the MovieBox and hit enter. Now, scroll down and tap on the official MovieBox app option available there. And all you have to do is you'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or Face ID. Simply enter your Apple ID password and tap on the install option available there and wait for a few seconds or few minutes for your installation to be completed. Now, once the installation has been completed, all you have to do is tap on the open option available there and open the MovieBox app on your mobile device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.